Out here. Welcome to the meeting number 978 of Bangalore Toastmasters. How are you all feeling today, people?
Great.
One voice.
Nice. Terrific.
Terrific. Okay. Thank you so much for dropping in time. The theme for the meeting is practice abstinence, for riches will not last. What does the theme mean? It is about abstinence. And abstinence is restraining oneself from indulging in something. It can be by your ethics or principles, it can be a self-belief which you have, it can be of different type. Abstaining from food, abstaining from alcohol, abstaining for a kind of drink or something. So it involves a belief of oneself. But what is the purpose? What is the biggest gain which you do from abstinence? The biggest gain is self-control. And it is said that the most challenging thing which people is facing in this scenario is to control oneself. What you need and what you want is separated by only one thing, self-control. And if I speak about self-control, there are 5 elements which make self-control. It is balance, calmness, determination, confidence, and willpower. And today we have someone amongst us who has all these elements in himself. He is a leadership coach and a sales trainer. He is a fascinating Toastmaster. He is synonymous with positivity and energy. He is a VP Ed of this term and the presiding officer this evening. Please welcome VP Education and Presiding Officer Joseph Das.